Good day everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about what is rhythm. Okay, when we say rhythm, it is the pattern of sounds and silences in music, poetry, or any other form of artistic expression. It's the arrangement of beats, accents, and duration that create a sense of flow, pulse, or groove. In music, rhythm is often created by the timing of notes and rest, while in poetry, it's established through the arrangement of stressed and unstressed syllables. When we say rhythm also, it is the fundamental to the structure and feel of artistic works, providing a sense of movement in continuity. So it means that rhythm is the pattern of beats, accents, and duration in music, such as poetry or speech. It's what gives a piece its groove and flow, and also the structure. In music, rhythm is created by the arrangement of notes and rest in time, while in poetry and speech, it's formed by the arrangement of stress and unstressed syllables. And now, let's proceed to the elements of rhythm. The first one we have beat. When we say beat, it is the basic unit of rhythm, often presented by a regular recurring pulse. It provides the underlying framework for a piece of music, poetry, or any other rhythmic expression. So meaning to say, when we say beat in elements of rhythm, it is the steady underlying pulse that drives the rhythm forward. It likes the heartbeat of a piece of music or a poem, and also providing a consistent framework for timing. For example, when you tap your foot or clap your hands to the rhythm of a song, you're following the beat. And now, let's proceed to the second elements of rhythm, which is the tempo. It refers to the speed at which the beats occur. It can be fast or slow, and it greatly influences the mood and feel of the rhythm. Tempo is typically measured in beats per minute or the BPM. It means it like the speedometer or the rhythm. It measuring how quickly or slowly the beats pass by. For example, a fast tempo might make you want to tap your foot quickly, while a slow tempo might evoke a more relaxed, leisurely feeling. Tempo plays a crucial role in shaping their overall mood and feel or a rhythm, influencing how we perceive and experience it. The third elements of rhythm we have meter. It is the organization of beats into regular patterns or measures. Common meters include double 2 beats per measure, triple 3 beats per measure, and quadruple 4 beats per measure. Meter helps establish the rhythmic structure and feel of a composition. Means meter is the organization of beats into regular patterns or measures. It's like the rhythmic framework that structures of piece of music or the poetry. Meter helps establish rhythmic feel and predictability or a composition. Okay, as you can see in the picture, consider a common meter in music 4x4 time signature, also known as common time. In 4x4 time, there are 4 beats per measure, and each beat is typically a quarter note. This meter is widely used in various music genre from pop and rock to classical and jazz. The fourth element of rhythm we have the accent. It refers to the emphasis placed on a certain beats within a rhythmic pattern. Accents helps create a sense of hierarchy and emphasize important moments in the rhythm. Means It's like adding extra weight or importance to a specific moments in the rhythm, and also creating a sense of hierarchy and also the dynamics. In music, accents are often indicated by symbols such as greater than sign above or below the notes. And then we have the phrase elements of rhythm. Phrasing refers to the grouping of beats into larger musical phrases. Phrasing helps the shape the overall structure and coherence of the rhythm, guiding the listener through the musical or poetic journey. A phrase is like a musical sentence. It's a group of beats that form a complete musical idea or thought. Phrases help to organize the rhythm into smaller sections, making it easier to understand and to follow. Imagine clapping along to a simple rhythm. One time, two times, three times, four times. In this example, the first phrase consists of beats 1 and 2. The second phrase consists of beats 3 and 4. Each phrase feels like a complete musical idea, with a beginning and an end. Just like sentences in language, phrases in rhythm help convey meaning and structure the flow of the music.